Welcome back to our channel. Today's reading is Splish Splash by Gail Herman, illustrated by Bill Basso. As always, kids, the girls and I highly recommend you guys read as many books as you can this summer to get prepared for the new school year. Are we ready, girls?
Yeah.
Let's read. It was a bright spring day. Molly was in her backyard. Trucks were digging. Workers were shouting. "Will the pool be ready soon?" Molly asked. "Don't worry," said her mom. "The pool will be ready by the first day of summer." Another truck came. Out came concrete and more concrete. "This will take forever," said Molly. Then came tiles. "Are you sure the pool will be ready?" asked Molly. "Yes," said her mom. "It will be ready by the first day of summer." Finally came the water. "Hooray!" shouted Molly. "The pool is ready, and tomorrow is the first day of summer." "Call your friends," said her mom. "Invite them over. You can have a pool party." Molly called Sam, Lizzie, and Ben. "Let's have a pool party tomorrow," she said. The next day, Molly woke up early. "Happy first day of summer," she shouted. "Happy pool party." She pulled on her bathing suit. Then she ran downstairs. "I'm ready for the party," she exclaimed. "Oh, honey," said her dad. "Look outside." Molly looked. Splish, splash. It was pouring on the first day of summer. "No pool party," she cried. Molly felt so bad. Splish, splash. Tears as big as raindrops ran down her cheeks. "I'm sorry," said her mom, "but you can still have a party with your friends." Molly felt a little better. She called Sam, Lizzie, and Ben. "Come over anyway," she told them. "We will try to have fun." When her friends came over, they wore bathing suits too. Molly's mom turned on the brightest light. "The sun is so strong," said Molly. "I need sunglasses." Molly's dad spread a blanket on the floor. He brought out apples and oranges and sandwiches cut in little triangles. "A picnic," said Molly. Molly, Sam, Lizzie, and Ben played tag and hide and seek. "This is almost like being outside," said Molly. She looked out the window. Splish, splash. "If only we could go outside for real." "Well," said her dad, "it's not raining as hard. And you are wearing your bathing suits," said her mom. "Let's go," said Molly and her friends. Molly, Sam, Lizzie, and Ben ran outside. Splish, splash. They stomped through the puddles. They tried to catch raindrops. Suddenly, the rain stopped. The sun peeked out. Clouds floated away. "It's sunny!" cried Molly. Just like the first day of summer should be." "Ready for a real pool party?" asked her mom. Splish, splash. Molly swam underwater. She did handstands. She kicked and laughed and jumped around. "Everyone out of the pool," said Molly's dad. "It is getting late." "Thank you," said Ben. "Thanks," said Sam. "I had a great time," said Lizzie. "I had a great time too," Molly told her mom. "The next time it rains, can we have another pool party?" Molly asked. Did you guys enjoy this book?
Yeah.
We hope that you guys enjoyed this book as well. And as always, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And like all of our videos.
And share with your friends and family.
And share with your friends and family. Till the next time, we'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.